Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Newton's Hub, a complete place for learning. So guys, today we are starting a series that is numerical series of chapter electricity, which belongs to your physics. In this series we will discuss about the numericals based on current and charge, electric potential, potential difference, voltage, Ohm's law, resistance, resistivity of the material. After then we will discuss about the numericals based upon the series and parallel combination of the resistance in any circuit. So guys, today's topic is numericals of current and charge, and one thing you have to remember that we will discuss only 4 to 5 numericals of all the parts of this series. So let's start the video. Today's video is based upon the current and charge. So guys, first question is given that an electric bulb draws a current of 0.25 ampere for 20 minutes. Calculate the amount of electric charge that flows through the circuit. The value of current and the time in which flowing is given in the question, and we have to find out the amount of charge. So guys, first of all we have to note the value of current and the time. Current is represented by small I. Small I, it is equals to 0.25. It is given in the question 0.25 ampere, and the amount of time in which it is flowing, that is 20 minutes, which is given in the question. We have to change it into seconds. 20 into second equals to 1200 seconds. One thing remember guys, time always taken in the seconds unit, not in the hours and minutes. So we have the value of current and the time, and now we have to find out the value of charge. Charge is represented by capital Q. So first formula of this chapter, which is related to the current and the charge, is I equals to Q upon T. I equals to Q upon T is the first formula of this chapter. So we can say that current is the ratio of charge to the time, or we can say that the rate change of the charge, the rate of flow of charge, is called current. We have to find the value of charge, so T multiplied with I, then Q equals to IT is the formula. Now putting the value of I and the time, current and the time, in the formula Q equals to IT, then I is 0.25. I is 0.25. It is given in the question. Multiply by time 1200 seconds. As we have to multiply both these numbers and get the correct answer, that is equals to 300 coulomb. So 300 coulomb is the charge, that is the correct answer. Now the second question is, a radio set draws a current of 0.36 ampere for 15 minutes. Calculate the amount of electric charge that flows through the circuit. It is same as the question number first, which we discussed as forward. The amount of current and the time in which it is flows is given in the question, so we have to note down the values. Then I equals, which is given, equals to 0.36. 0.36 ampere is the amount of current which is given in the question, and time is in which it is flowing 15 minutes. So guys, we have to change it into seconds, then we have to multiply by 60 seconds. As you multiplied the numbers 15 into 60, you get the number is 900 seconds. 900 seconds is the time in which 0.36 ampere current is flowing through any circuit, that is radio set. We have to find the amount of charge, that is Q. So Q equals to IT is the formula, as we discussed. Q equals to IT. We have to put the values of current and time in this formula. Current is 0.36 given in the question, multiply by time. Time is 900 seconds, as we find. We have to multiply the numbers and get the correct answer, that is equals to 324 Coulomb. 324 Coulomb is the correct answer of the charge that is flows through the radio set. Next question is given that calculate the amount of current if 10 Coulomb charge is flowing from a conductor for 50 minutes. So guys, in this question the amount of charge and the time is given. So we have to first note the value of time and the charge. Charge is represented by capital Q, which is equals to 10 Coulomb according to this question, and time is 50 minutes. We have to change it into seconds, then we have to multiply by 60. As we multiply 50 by 60, we get 3000 seconds. So these are the values which is given in this question, and we have to find out the amount of current, that is capital I. For finding the value of capital I, we have to apply the formula I equals to Q upon T. I equals to Q upon T, and applying the value of current and the time taken in this question. Value of charge is 10 and time is 3000. As we divide 10 from 3000, we get the correct answer, that is equals to 0.00033 ampere. So guys, it is the correct answer. I hope guys you have all understand the concept of current and charge based numerical questions. Let us discuss one another question which is based upon this formula. The question is, in how much time 10 Coulomb charge can flow 20 ampere current in any conductor? In this question we have to find out the amount of time, the value of time. टाइम की वैल्यू हमें कैलकुलेट करनी है. इट इज गिवन दैट द अमाउंट ऑफ चार्ज इज 10 Coulomb, Q is given that 10 Coulomb, and the amount of current, that is equals to I, is equals to 20 ampere. It is given that we have to find the amount of time, the value of time. So applying the formula I equals to Q upon T, we have to find the value of T, because I equals to Q upon T, so T equals to Q upon T. We have to apply the value of charge and Q upon I. We have to apply the value of charge and current in this formula, and we have the answer of the time. So T equals to, वैल्यू अप्लाई करेंगे जैसे ही हम यहाँ पर T इक्वल्स टू आ जाना है 10 upon 20, because 10 is the charge and 20 is the current. We have to divide it and get the correct answer, that is equals to 0.5. 0.5 is the 0.5 second is the correct answer for this question. If you like this video, then please share this video and subscribe the channel. Press the bell icon also.